Hello and welcome guys, my name is Deactivate and you are watching Technical YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to deactivate your TikTok account permanently. If you are interested in this topic, let's jump into the video.
For deactivating your TikTok account, first you have to open your TikTok ID. Then you have to click on the three lines on the top right corner. After clicking on it, click on settings and privacy. Then this page will appear in front of you. Then you have to click on the account option. After some loading, this page will appear. On this page you have to click on deactivate or delete account. After some loading, this page will appear. Click on the deactivate account button. So click on it, then some loading will appear and this button will appear. You have to click on deactivate button and then verify yourself by entering your password and your TikTok account will be get deactivated.
That's it for today's video. If this video helped you, check out this playlist. This will also help you a lot. This is me, Junaid Iqbal, signing out.